So hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today with me is the Crompton Insta Airohot room heater 2000 watt for the winter season. So as you can see, this is a metal body room heater. So let me show you the features of the product first. So guys, as you can see, this is the box, and here is mentioned adjustable heat setting, built-in thermostat and thermal safety cutout, height adjustable stand. So this is the stand, and it's having a 1-year warranty. So this is the front part of the box, and this is the manufacturer's tag and those sticker, as you can see. Pause the video for details. So this side basically the same thing, and here some features are mentioned like the same mentioned in the front, and just one feature that is added here is cool touch handle. That's basically a backlight handle. So there is also another model out there which don't have the temperature setting, and it's probably the model name is Crompton Insta Airohot. Basically the same room heater without a thermostat, to be honest with you. Whatever might be, let's unpack this product and see what's inside. Here, as you can see, this is the Airohot room heater. Inside you can see the heating element is there in the shape of spring. So physically it's looking like a really heavy duty heater coil, and here is the connections of the heater coil, and here is the stand or the pedestal kind of thing that is provided just for increasing the height slightly, that you can see. Without the stand, the height would be like this. So this is the front side. Now let me come to the back side. So here, as you can see, it's quite compact, nothing technical given except that of the labels and wiring diagram. So here, as you can see, the label has been provided and there is a wiring diagram provided. So just pause the video and watch it if you want to have a look, but let me have a zoom for you. Here is a hole provided for just putting the winding the wire and just putting the plug like this when not in use, just for cleanliness. This front grill is of metal. And regarding the fan, as you can see, here is the fan. The fan is visible here that you are watching. So here is a fan, and another fan is in this side. Let me show it to you. So as you can see, here is another fan, and here is the neon bulb. The wire of the neon bulb is here, and here is another fan. So basically two fans are there facing each other so that the air collide and come out from the front. So basically, if you can carefully notice inside, I don't know if you can notice, but if you can carefully notice inside, there is a shaded pole motor inside in the center part. The shaded pole motor have a common shaft on both the sides, and this side blade and this side blade are opposite blade angles, so that the air sucks from both the sides and gets collided in between and then comes out from the front part, because it's totally enclosed in all the sides. So this is the basic thing of this room heater. So guys, as you can see, two adjustable switches or knobs has been provided here, and here this is the point, and here this is the point. So basically this one is for the controlling the fan and the heating, and this side is for controlling the temperature of your room. So yes, this one have a thermostat, that's like the air conditioner's thermostat. Basically the thermostat works in the return air suction like the air conditioners. So very clever technology by Crompton, and obviously this is in the off position. If you do it like this, it will be fan only, heat 1, and this one will be heat 2. So obviously each of the heating elements is 1000 watts. So one dot is 1000 watt, two dots is 2000 watt, and this one is just the temperature control. If your room gets warm on your desired setting of the temperature that is provided here, so basically the thermostat clicks off the heating. So here is a tag provided for the thermostat setting. So just pause the video and read it. So guys, this is the instruction manual that you are watching. I will put a photo here. So basically, since this is a metal construction product, so there is no fire hazard or those kind of problems with this product. If this product fails, then it will automatically turn off without even catching fire or those kind of things that happen with the cheap Chinese or cheap kind of plastic built room heaters. So my personal advice is to don't buy those fire hazards and always buy this kind of heavy duty products like this metal construction. Even all the reputed brands have this kind of models, but my favorite one is the Crompton because we have trust on Crompton. So let's quickly test the room heater. So guys, let's start the product. So this is now in fan mode and it's blowing nice amount of airflow and it's quite silent. It's not noisy at all. Only the slight blower noise is here, nothing else. No noise pollution. Now let me turn on the heat. So in 1000 watt heat. So let me check the temperature for you. So as you can see on the first heat settings, the heat is around 49.3 degrees centigrade as you can see here. So let me just put it to full maximum potential, that's the 2000 watt capacity since it's running with 1000 watts now, and the heat is quite good as you can see the proof. One thing to say is that now you can see the temperature is dropping because the surrounding area here is quite hot, so that's why the thermostat clicked, and obviously the thermostat is in the minimum setting. So if I just put it to almost as you can see 80%, so this is 100%, so I have put in 80%. So let me see how much the heat I can get it. One thing to say you is that when you will turn off your room heater, don't just switch off your room heater because the room heater will be quite hot, and if anybody touches the room heater then they may get burned on their fingers because the body is warm. So my personal recommendation is that just turn this thing to the fan mode and let it cool down for a while, and after that switch off the product so that at least nobody gets a burn from this metal cover here. And as I can practically feel, this metal cover is getting hot. So guys, as you can see, the temperature is reached 110 degrees centigrade. That's why it's showing HHH because the thermometer's max capacity is that only. So this is the thing. So guys, if you love the product, then try to buy this kind of product, this kind of heavy duty products. So guys, my personal opinion with this room heater is that this is a really good room heater and it's having a good carrying handle and it is having an earthing, so no worries about electrical shocks. This is really a good heavy duty room heater. My viewers who live in cold places, my personal advice is go with this room heater instead of any cheap plastic ones, and especially I am recommending you Crompton because Crompton is the most trusted brand since 80 plus years. So that is why my personal choice is Crompton, and especially this model since this model have a thermostat control. So I hope you understood the product. So if you like my video, then press the like button and don't forget to share my video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Whatever might be guys, thanks for watching.